Does financial statement include? Okay, so here you see financial statement includes income statement, okay, where trading account and profit and loss account is included. Okay, so I have given you the trading account and profit and loss account format. Okay, then there is balance sheet which records all the liabilities and assets of a business. Then there is cash flow statement which shows the inflow and outflow of cash into the business, okay, to understand the financial position of the business. And then statement of retained earnings. So what do you mean by retained earnings? It is an earning of the company, okay, which is kept in the company, okay, which is not invested anymore, which is kept in the company. Okay, so that is retained earnings. So I hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.